me, making Dumbo was trying to create the feeling of what I remember when I first experienced Disney movies, where you experience emotion and joy and humor all in one thing.
With the artistry of Tim Burton, it's always good to have a movie that's got spirit and light and magic.
It's a special thing to be in a Tim Burton movie like Dumbo. He's working on another level that I've not seen before.
It's a luxury to have real sets, which is quite rare these days.
The set was enormous. This was unbelievable.
Tim Burton's ability to create a world that speaks to the child that's still alive in me.
What is it exactly that we do here?
We make the impossible possible.
Being at Disney, I always wanted my own amusement park, and so we got to build it. Yeah, it was fun to create this big and colorful circus, and it was incredible to see them all come together.
It's a great world to live in.
This has such an extraordinary visual life to it.
Dumbo is big, it's brash, it's pure magic.
Show 'em.